So guys, good morning and welcome back to GNHP. Yes, it's morning, but it's still dark because it's around 5 in the morning. Yes, and we have to wake up early to be there because it's taking around 3 hours before we are there. And I'm waiting now for my brother to pick me up, and then we're gonna pick my another friend, the one you know guys, Sharbas, the one who was with me last time. And then we're gonna go. We're gonna be 3 people, and of course this time I will make sure to show you beautiful Norway, because of the last time when we was there we was driving on the middle of the night, so I didn't have the chance to show you the view. But this time we are now at the 5 o'clock in the morning, so we're gonna be there like around 8-9 o'clock in the morning, so it's gonna be a little more the view. And I just took with me the drone so I can show you more about everything. But look guys, it's dark and it's very cold, so let us see. So there is my big brother. Car is ready, let's go. Here we are taking break. I don't know if you guys remember, this is the same gas station. Last time when I was here, we had a break here too, and now we're doing the same. We have 1 hour more to go before destination, and now it's a little bit more light, so I think you guys like seeing the view. It's so beautiful with high mountain. You see over there? It's gonna be more beautiful on the way. I'm gonna try to use the drone so you can see. And there you go, the car. Gonna show you the stuff we have inside the car, like the ski stuff and that. There's my brother, and let us see the baggage and everything we have here. The snowboards, everything is ready. So now we're only taking a break, and when we are finished, so we're gonna move. So let me now show you more of the way we are driving of the beautiful city. It's too cold, it's gonna be around -20. That's how it looks like, and that's what we're gonna do. So let me show you, and let me continue the way and show you the beautiful Norway before we are on our destination. So let's see that.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe believe it's true. Baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, for you, for you, for you, for you, for you, won't you let the light shine through?
Guys, we found mouse. You know the animal, the big animal mouse. Look there. Do you see him?
Det är en till.
Oh, look! There is one more. My friend is screaming so they can move. That's crazy. They're actually too long. It's beautiful, it's beautiful, it's beautiful. We're coming. So let's just continue the trip and we're gonna show you more beautiful. Guys, if you see like that over there's the moon and it's light now, you know what I mean? That's so beautiful. When it's daylight and you have the moon on the top, so amazing.
It's actually the night light.
Yeah, the night light, yeah, it's actually the night light but in the morning before the night light gonna be sleeping, like I think. So it's very beautiful.
Won't you let the light shine through for you, for you, for you, for you, for
Now we're gonna try the drone and let the drone follow us. You see how beautiful it is? A lot of snow. And let us see how it's gonna go with this drone. So let's start the drone now. So let's follow the drone from the app. So guys, now we are on our destination at Hovden again, and I think we are the first people here. You see how beautiful? It's very beautiful, and they have already started the elevator. So look how beautiful and how sunny the mountain. The top of the mountain is still shining. You see that? So beautiful. So for the moment, let me just change my clothes and then see you at the top. So guys, on the elevator, look at the view.
Look at this.
Det är bara den här här fjällen. Bara den här fjällen. Just det som han är där.
Och så är det bakvägen.
So we're going up there.
Det kan stoppa på oavsett fart, men det är ju inte. Det kan stoppa på en väldigt gånger på ett. Ja.
Men må dette bakvägen eller vad det?
So now guys, we are on the top like you see.
And this is my first day here.
And that's his first day and his first time skiing. So we're gonna see how it's gonna go. So Sarba's gonna follow him.
And I'm gonna record all the way down.
We have my friend Besnik.
Hello.
A lot of people know him.
Yeah,
Especially,
very famous.
especially Jirwan.
Hello, hello.
That's good. Amazing. That's very good, Juan. Let's go. We're gonna go to the other side now. Are you okay?
Very nice.
That's good.
Who alive can't put me in a box. I redefine any definition you got. I am the tiger, I'm making steps to the top. The flames, I whip it up, you just gotta hand me the rock. Take a seat, you cannot stand it. All I know, the flow harder than a Scotch bonnet. Don't try to study me, you cannot manage. This ain't what you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon. This ain't what you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon.
Yoo-hoo! Now it's break time. We're gonna eat some food and then we're gonna continue the trip. So let's eat. So we get some fries and some delicious burger. We had to eat a little bit before we start again. We are hungry from the morning, we didn't eat anything. So let us just eat and then continue the trip.
When I see you dancing, I'm like, hola, 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 hola. With your move fancy, make me wanna hola, 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 hola. I got your attention, spending that moolah, 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 moolah. I'm a drop popping, pocket, swola, 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 swola. Swola, 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 swola. Swola, swola, swola. When I see you dancing, I'm like, hola, 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 hola. See your move fancy, make me wanna hola, 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 hola. I got your attention, spending that moolah, 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 moolah. I'm a drop popping, pocket, swola, 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 swola. Your attention, spending that moolah, 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 moolah. I'm a drop popping, pocket, swola, 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 swola. Swola, 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 swola. Swola, 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 swola. Swola, swola, swola. Swola, 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 swola. When I see you dancing, I'm like, hola, 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 hola. With your move fancy, make me wanna hola, 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 hola. I got your attention, spending that moolah, 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 moolah. I'm a drop popping, pocket, swola, 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 swola.
So guys, before we leave, of course we have to eat. So we are at the restaurant in Hovden. I'm gonna show you the food. It's very beautiful food. There is the bro and Starbust. So let us see the food now. Look what we're gonna eat. Delicious food. Ooh, dangerous. Some delicious pizza. Delicious burger. So let us enjoy. This is what the vlog for today. I hope you guys enjoyed and saw the beautiful Norway, and of course at least the beautiful food we eat. So this was Hovden, and I hope you enjoyed. If you're new, subscribe, like and share, and peace.